guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing Disturbia. Almost forgot what it was called there. Disturbia unboxing order haul thing that I am really excited to show you guys. I absolutely adore stuff from Disturbia. It is kind of alternative, industrial grunge kind of vibe, and I absolutely adore it. It's awesome, and I'm just going to move some things out of my camera frame because it's annoying me. Be right back. Much better. Okay, so yeah, so as I was saying, this is an order from Disturbia, and I absolutely am a huge Disturbia fan. I love their accessories. I have a lot of their accessories, and you probably actually see some of them in a past video that I've already done, me showing you off some of my favorite accessories. So yeah, so without blabbing on too much, let's get right into this order. Okay, so here is my cat screaming and yelling at me because I won't let her in the room. Okay, so this is the first order I have right here. I'm just going to open this up. I did 2 orders. I actually was really lucky. I managed to get like a buy 2 get 1 free, and I also got a discount on the other orders, so that was really cool. And most of the stuff is actually in the sale, so I'm really happy with that. So let's get this open. So the first item that I actually got is one of their t-shirts, and it is a size M. I normally go for a size M with Disturbia. I find their clothing is really good for sizing. They also have like the sizing box information on the products as well, so I always check that. Normally I find I'm either a size 12 or a size M, and if I was going to maybe buy something like a hoodie or maybe a jacket or something, I'd probably size up. That's just my personal experience, everybody's different. So yeah, so let's look at this really awesome t-shirt. So here is a t-shirt here. I am in love with the color. It is so bright and so insane. I'm really loving like bright yellow and bright green on black just now. It's like totally my mood right now. So yeah, so it has what planet are you on, and then it has the UFO here, and then it has your Egyptian buildings and background. It is really cool. So this is just a regular t-shirt, nothing else really to it apart from the print, and it is the size M that I've already said. Now their quality is really good. I've never had any issues with any of my items from Disturbia, even with washing or over time. Nothing's really faded, so I am really happy with this. It looks so nice. It's very comfortable. Whoa, look here. It's very comfortable, it's very fitting, and it's not too short, it's not too long, it's absolutely perfect. I am in love with this, and it is just like, it's definitely a vibe. What planet are you on? I don't even know what planet I'm on half the time, so there we go. Yes, totally loving this, and I kind of like it because it's like, I want to say it's very tomboyish, and it's also very like gothic in a sense because of that green and black. Like I've got it all over me today. I've got it on here. So yeah, it's definitely something that's fitting in with what I'm liking right now. So I'm really happy with it, and I definitely will get a lot of wears out of this too. Okay, so the next item I have here, now this was in the sale, and this is called the Tied Up t-shirt. And as you can see, it's a very plain looking t-shirt. So let's open her up. I can't open it. Hey! Okay, so this is the t-shirt, and oh okay, they sent me a 10. I'm going to guess that's just an accident. We'll see how this fits, because yeah, we'll see how this fits. Anyway, so I'm just going to show you what the t-shirt, oh, it's huge. Oh, okay, I'm not going to worry about the size. Okay, so this is a huge t-shirt. It's very soft, very soft material. It's a little bit thinner than their normal t-shirts. It's a short sleeved, and it's got these ties, so you can like use it to, this thing's massive. Maybe they just got the wrong label on it or something. Definitely says 10. Oh well. Yeah, so they've got the ties on it, so you can bring it in and make it more fitted for you. It's so soft, very nice material, nice and light, it's airy, so it's definitely something you could wear layering up, or you can wear this just in the summer. I really like the colour, even though it's, I want to say it's more like a charcoal rather than the grey. Even though there's a mistake in the size, I'm actually really happy with this overall, and I'm really, really pleased with it. So I really like this, and it's definitely different having the ties on the sides. You can do it at the front or you can do it at the back. Really, really happy with that because it gives like a plain t-shirt a little bit of variety. Okay, so this is the next item, and this is the barbed wire necklace. Now, I have had barbed wire necklaces in the past, and I always found that they were really, really pointy on these bits. I mean, I know it's supposed to be the wire, but they like would dig in, they were uncomfortable, they wouldn't sit right, and eventually I found that Disturbia have their very own one, and I was like a bit dubious at first. I was like, is it gonna look alright? But actually, this on is absolutely gorgeous. It's so, so nice. It's got a nice weight to it, it's really good quality, just like all of the other necklaces that I have from Disturbia. None of them I've got, like none out of my whole collection have fallen apart, and I've had them all for a very long time. So this is my newest one, and I'm really, really happy with this, and it just looks so nice on. So yeah, let's open up the other bag. Okay, so I have a second t-shirt. This one here is the Poison t-shirt, and again it is very similar to the UFO one, so let's just open this up. Okay, so I got this in a size medium. So here is the Disturbia logo at the top, and then as it goes up we've got the plant illustration, and then it's got like this little quote about how this plant will dull your senses and eventually it'll kill you, which is always cheerful. So yeah, so I just really liked the design on this. I thought it was really unusual, and I also just love a good black t-shirt with an unusual design. And that is just like what most of my t-shirts are now. So yeah, so it will be more or less the same quality as the other one, and also again it's that same kind of material. It's going to fit well. It's got quite short sleeves, but I don't mind that. That's totally fine. It's got a little bit of weight to it because it's a little bit thicker than the charcoal t-shirt, which is really nice. And again, it's not one that is too long on me. It seems to fit quite nicely lengthwise with this t-shirt. So I'm really happy with this t-shirt. It's really, really nice. And we'll move on to the next items. Okay, so this next item, I think it was in the sale. So let's have a look at it. This is in a size 12, and it is the vest, kind of like leather kind of thing going on here. So let's open it up. I think this is like the most badass thing I've ever owned in my entire life. This is so freaking cool. It's actually really, really soft. It's not too hard a material. Right, so we have like these awesome eyelets up the side where we can like lace up if we need to adjust it slightly. So I'm down for that. And we also have it on the other side too. We've got this really cute chunky zip in the middle, and we've also got like a cute little pocket there too. So we just have the one pocket. This is so freaking nice. I love this so much. I cannot wait to wear this. Yeah, it's definitely something very me. Very, very, very rock and roll, very gothic, industrial. I love this. I cannot get over this. This is so freaking cool. This is gonna look so nice over some of those t-shirts. I am so excited to wear this. Wow, I think this is like my favorite purchase. Like, I'm so shocked. I didn't think it was going to be as freaking cool as it was. The pictures, maybe I wasn't really paying attention to the pictures as such, or I've kind of forgotten because it was such a long time since I ordered this, but oh my god, it's so freaking cool. Oh, I love this. This is just, I cannot wait to style this with so many things. This is going to be so much fun. So yeah, so that is the vest, and I absolutely freaking adore it. This is so, so cool. Okay, now the last item, finally. This is a dress. Now, I've not bought any dresses from Disturbia. It's always just been their t-shirts or their accessories, or I think I have a hoodie that, yeah, I have a hoodie. So I've not bought a dress from them before. It's always been, you know, upper wear, t-shirt wear. So yeah, so I had seen this dress when they were releasing their newest drop, and I couldn't find the dress. I was really confused. I was like, but there's a dress here. I could see it on the models. I could see all their new accessories, and I was like, damn, I really like that dress. So I just kind of waited a while, and then eventually I got it. Like, I've got their newsletter, so I got the update saying, hey, we've got another drop, and I was like, okay, let's see if we can find this dress. So I saw this dress, and wow, I just fell in love because it is just so freaking cool. I cannot wait to actually pair this with the vest, and just gonna deck myself out in full Disturbia, like full brand. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna show you this dress. Okay, so here is the dress, and here, as you can see, it is a black and white dress. So we're gonna open her up. Okay, so I've ordered her in a size 12, and oh my god, she's gorgeous. She's got a really nice thick material. I'm liking that. So this is the top part of the dress, and we have got this like insane full on, like, I want to say hello, hi, this is my high school like dream dress, with the safety pins like connecting the slit that's in the dress. I mean, you could totally take these safety pins out if you don't want them and just have like a little open slit on the shoulder, and then you move across and you have this zip, and it also has the actual zippers, so you can undo the zips, so you've got another opening, and move the zips around for like making a bit more accessory going on there. So yes, it's a short sleeve dress, brown neck, and on the other side we have another zip for the area, and then down at the bottom, do we have any more? I don't think we do have any more. So this is like a t-shirt style dress, and it's got the acid awesome design going on here, and at the very bottom again we have another slit with these gorgeous massive safety pins, so if I happen to need a safety pin that day, I've got plenty on me, and it is just so nice. And when I saw the model wearing this, I was like, I need that. That is a gorgeous dress. And now that I've actually got it in person and I'm looking over the vest, I'm like, that's gonna make a cute look. So yeah, I am loving this. This is so nice, and like I've already said, the material is actually very similar to the t-shirts, so it's not going to be too thin, and I'm just really happy with this. This is just so freaking cool, and I just love its vibe. So yeah, so this is the dress. Now, I did pay full price for the dress, the vest, and the Poison t-shirt. They were in the buy two get one free offer that was on. Now, Disturbia do a lot of offers, so I do advise that if you do see something, try and hang off. Essentially, normally I do hold off for the offers, and either will buy it on offer or try and get it at a reduced price. Even I think some of their items are quite pricey, and there's a couple of jumpers that I feel are maybe a bit too expensive for my budget, but the newest drop I absolutely love. There's a jumper that I'm eyeing up, so I will be waiting for that one to go in the sale because it is so freaking nice and looks so cozy. So yeah. So guys, that was everything in my order. I hope you liked the video. Let me know if you want more videos like this, or if you would like me to do a styling video with some of these pieces and what I would maybe style them with things that I already own. Let me know in the comments if that's something you guys would like to see. And yeah, so if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. Share me with your family. Share me with your friends. Everything likes of Instagram and Facebook I am on. You will find them in the description box for links. and I will catch you all in the next video. So till then guys, I'll catch you later.